Miss Patty and Miss Avery, they're out for their morning walk. And Miss Patty wants you to know that her temperature dropped this morning. She's probably going to have those puppies within 24 hours. Yep. St. Patty's got her first baby. She had a little black girl. She's already nursed. Such a good mom. Such a good mommy. Good girl. Patty's had her second black female. And they're both happily nursing. Patty's working very hard on the next one, aren't you, Patty? Oh, so sweet. So sweet. There we go. Miss Patty has 3 puppies, 2 black females and 1 black male. And they're all doing great. And she's just a perfect mom. She loves her babies. Patty had another black female. She was just born. And she's already nursing. She's got a real good hold there. Even though Mama keeps knocking her off to clean her up. Yeah. Good job, Pat. We have another black male. So far we have 3 black females and 2 black males. Number 6 was a black male, and everybody's doing great. Yeah. Another black male. That's good. We needed some black males. That reservation list for black males is in the 70s, so black males are good. All right, puppy, I'm gonna clean you up, dry you off, and get you nursing.
In the mandatory evacuation zone, they had known that a Category 4 storm was on the way.
Some good contractions. Working on number 8.
You have been reporting for days. All other media outlets have been reporting this storm was on the way. So they had a week of advance notice, and now that the storm is here, many are realizing it's much stronger than I thought it would be, and regretting that as they message us here.
That must be so frustrating for you, for an emergency manager, for just to be so frustrated that you're getting those calls in from the barrier islands.
There we go. Everybody's all cleaned up. We had 8 puppies, 5 black males, and 3 black females. And they're all doing great. And Mama's such a good mommy, isn't she? Oh, she says, I'm kind of tired. I stayed up all night doing this. It's still the wee hours of the morning, isn't it? It's about 5 a.m. Yeah, she says, oh, I think I'll take a little rest now. It's quite a passing.